today's video, we're going to explore some smart shopping hacks to help you save money on everyday essentials for your family. I understand that life in the UK is expensive, particularly now, and especially for families. We'll be sharing practical tips on how to save on groceries, clothing, household bills, family activities, and online shopping. The aim for today is to help you make the most of your hard-earned money without compromising your family's needs or lifestyle. Let's dive in. Grocery shopping tips. First and foremost, create a meal plan for the week. This will help you determine exactly what ingredients you need and avoid purchasing unnecessary items. Once you have your meal plan, make a shopping list and stick to it when you're at the supermarket. Next, be on the lookout for sales and special offers at your local supermarket. In the UK, popular chains like Tesco, Sainsbury's and Asda often have weekly promotions that can save you a significant amount on your grocery bill. Additionally, collect coupons from newspapers, magazines or online sources to further increase your savings. And look out for those discounts in the apps too. Tesco's, Sainsbury's and Asda all have their own loyalty schemes. Consider buying in bulk for non-perishable items or products that you use frequently. This can lead to substantial savings over time. Also, don't shy away from store brand products, which are often just as good as their name brand counterparts, but at a lower price point. Lastly, be mindful of how you navigate the supermarket. Stores are often designed to encourage impulse purchases, so try to shop the perimeter first, where fresh produce and essential items are typically located. Avoid the temptation of the snack and the sweets aisles and stay focused on your shopping list. Saving on clothing and accessories. One great way to save is by shopping during out-of-season sales. For instance, purchasing winter clothes at the end of the season or swimwear in the autumn can result in substantial discounts. Retailers like Marks & Spencer's and Next often have fantastic end-of-season sales, so keep an eye out for these opportunities. Secondhand stores and online marketplaces can be a treasure trove for affordable, high-quality clothing. In the UK, charity shops like Oxfam and British Heart Foundation often have great selections, while online platforms such as eBay and Vinted offer a wide range of pre-loved items at a fraction of the cost. Another creative way to save on clothing is by organising clothing swaps with friends, family or local community groups. This not only allows you to refresh your wardrobe for free, but also promotes a more sustainable approach to fashion. Lastly, remember that sometimes it's worth investing in higher quality, durable items that will last longer, especially for staple pieces like coats, shoes and bags. While the upfront cost might be higher, the long-term savings can be substantial, as you won't need to replace these items as frequently. Lowering household bills. Household bills can take a significant chunk out of your budget, so let's explore some ways to lower these expenses. Firstly, consider adopting energy-saving habits to reduce your utility bills. Simple actions like turning off lights when not in use, using energy-efficient appliances, and insulating your home can lead to noticeable savings on your energy bills. In the UK, you can also check if you're eligible for energy-saving grants or schemes, like the Warm Home Discount, to further lower your costs. When it comes to services like TV, internet, and phone, don't be afraid to negotiate for better rates with your providers. Research competitor offers and use this information to your advantage when discussing your options with your current provider. You'd be surprised at the discounts and promotions that might become available to you. Bundling services from a single provider, such as combining your TV, internet, and phone services, can often result in discounts or lower overall costs. Many UK providers like BT, Sky and Virgin Media offer bundle deals, so explore explore these options and choose the one that best suits your family's needs. Finally, make a habit of regularly reviewing and comparing providers for all your household services. This ensures you're always getting the best possible deal and can help you identify better offers or promotions that might have become available since you last checked. Budget-friendly family activities. Spending quality time together doesn't have to break the bank. Start by exploring free or low-cost attractions in your local area. In the UK, we're fortunate to have a multitude of museums, art galleries, and parks that are free to visit. Websites like Time Out and Visit Britain often list free events and activities. Another great place to look is local Facebook groups, which can alert you to things that are happening in your neighbourhood. When planning family outings, think about affordable options like picnics in the park, visiting a local farm, or hiking in nature reserves. Not only are these activities cost effective, but they also offer a great opportunity to enjoy the UK's beautiful landscapes and create lasting memories. Don't underestimate the fun of at-home entertainment. Family movie nights, games evenings, or DIY craft sessions can provide plenty of fun at minimal costs. Websites like Pinterest are a fabulous treasure trove of activities for home-based ideas that your whole families can enjoy. Lastly, look into discounts and memberships for places your family visits frequently. Many UK attractions offer annual family memberships that can be a more cost-effective solution if you plan to visit multiple times a year. Additionally, websites like Groupon have discounts for activities and attractions. Smarter online shopping. With the convenience of online retail, we can often find great deals that aren't available in physical stores. Firstly, use price comparison tools to ensure you're getting the best deal. Websites like PriceRunner and Idealo are great for this. Additionally, browser extensions such as Honey can automatically apply coupon codes at checkout, saving you money without any extra effort. Here's a little trick. Try abandoning your cart for a day or two. Some online retailers might send you a discount code to encourage you to complete your purchase. This isn't guaranteed, but it's worth a try. Shopping through cashback websites and apps can also lead to significant savings. Top Cashback and Quidco are popular options in the UK. They allow you to earn a percentage of your purchase back, which can add up over time. Many online retailers like ASOS and Amazon have regular sales and offer discount codes to their subscribers. Look after those pennies when it comes to saving money, and these strategies can add up to significant savings over time. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more great content on personal finance and money mindset. We'd love to hear your money saving tips and experiences, so be sure to leave a comment below. A big thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!